Hello, welcome to the ice cream truck. How may I help you? I would like to have the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles popsicle, the Spider-Man popsicle, and the Minions popsicle. I'm sorry, but we are all out of all those popsicles. But I still have the Phineas and Ferb popsicle, that's it.
No, 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 no.
I said the freak I want. I will destroy the ice cream truck. Kid, calm down. Don't be like those cartoon characters from a children's TV show. I will show you a cartoon character. Yogi Bear goes. Huckleberry Hound goes. Snagglepuss goes. Thomas goes. Chugga 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 choo choo. Alpha goes. Tweety Bird goes. Tweet tweet. Mickey Mouse goes. Squeak squeak. Otis goes. Lightning McQueen goes. Take that. This is what you get for not giving me the ice cream cone. Oh no. Farmer Pickles. Bob the Builder, how dare you destroy the ice cream truck? You know that destroying an ice cream truck is bad. That's it, you're grounded for life. WA.